Good morning guys. Now I am going to show you a wonderful command which will execute and search whatever the files required in any of the directory in a drive. So let's start the session. So normally if you want to search a file in a big directory, suppose if I am going to C folder, so I will be having so many program files. If I have to search a file, it will take hours of time, right? Even D drive, F drive, whatever the files you want, it will take so much of time. So this command, if you know the file name exactly, that's it. You can find it in 1 second. So let's get started. So now what I am going to do is I am going to D drive and I am checking what are the files is there. Here it is there ppt.txt file. So now I am going to search that file to command prompt instead of searching folder by folder. So the command is dir is nothing but it will display the directories. File name ppt.txt slash s specifies the searching and slash p pauses the screen after search result. That's it. Check guys. So the drive is D and the directory of the file is present in D crazy stuff and the file memory and the file information is here. So if you go here, the file is in D slash crazy stuff ppt file, right? So that is the use guys. Now I showed the small file in a small drive. If you are having a drive which is consisting of 1,000 folders and in each folder if you are having hundreds of files, notepads or whatever it is there, it will be very beneficial. Thank you guys.